Sdang Sen jam ke Jylla Meghalaya kalapoi ke Rukom Marpoh Khyndew Kaba Paka Paka katkum ke jukstar kaba menta. Yakani lai thu konot ke sang mau menteri rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya ha ke khandro trik ukalaling kot arhaja apulai. Ukonot ulai thu bakatna doyong jok sarkar keme kalapriang ban menjur ye ki kai phot balapha na ke Jylla Meghalaya bar kini ki sangut ki balapha e ri kai phot Shen kan saparu e ka mining plan jongki katkum ki kindon balabu da ke sarkar Jylla bar kumjuru da ke sarkar keme.
The geological reports of the state that have been submitted by 4 of the miners has been approved by the government of India. Once these geological reports are approved, this is one step away from the mining license to now be given. And hence, these 4 applicants now, whose geological reports now have been approved by Government of India, will submit their mining plans as per the norms laid down by Government of Meghalaya and Government of India. And we expect that the licenses should shortly be given to these 4 miners or these 4 applicants. And this communication has come, as I said, from the Government of India to the respected miners and the people who have applied. And hence, this is a major step forward towards now opening up the mining in a scientific manner. And we are very, very hopeful that very soon that this the scientific process for mining will start in the state. As I said, that this was a very long and tedious process, as it required us to first of all lift the ban, create the SOPs. Once the SOPs were created, we needed to proceed with that forward. There were certain terms and conditions that were laid down by Government of India which we had to then fulfill, and the miners had to fulfill. Prospective licenses had to be done, geological reports and surveys had to be made, and all of these issues had really a lot of work had to be put into it. But as I said, now we are at a final stage where very soon the first 4 mining licenses will be granted to the landowners and to the licensees who are the local residents, so that the scientific mining can start.